Hey everyone, it's Janie. Happy 2020! Like every basic girl would say, new year, new me, new hair. Am I right, ladies? So today I'm going to show you how to get these see-through bangs and how to style them. So let's start, shall we? So first, just separate the amount of hair you want for your bangs with the comb or your fingers, and just make this triangular shape when you part it. And now just start cutting, and the length is up to you. I'm going to cut this much and just keep cutting it shorter little by little because I'm a pansy and I'm probably gonna mess it up if I just directly cut it. It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad at all. And now just use this technique with your scissors to make sure that the bangs do not look too blunt and unnatural. Ooh, yikes. Kind of looks like an Asian bowl haircut, but don't worry, it'll get better, I hope. And just one last step, you just want to frame the face by cutting the side pieces diagonally. And just grab a roller. I believe the one I'm using is more than an inch. So while I'm waiting for that, I'm just going to tame and style the rest of my hair. And bam! Now you just want to just use your fingers or a comb to style it as you wish. Okay, not too bad. Alright, now time for some cringy headshots. Bogut. Okay, that's enough for that copyrighted music. And the best part about these bangs is that you can just sweep it to the side, act like this never even happened. Story of my life, story of your life. These bangs just doesn't require too much commitment, which is great. Anyways, thanks for watching. Find me on Insta at JANIE. And yeah, here's a random dance, and I'll see you next time. Bye! By the way, I don't really know what I'm doing, but